it's a conveyor putting it up there, and it's actually mixing it even more as it goes. This blue container that you saw at the beginning, that is called a mixer. And what it does is it mixes the carbon product with the waste food product. And all it is it just mixes it up. It doesn't make it any smaller or anything like that. It just combines it together. So whenever it comes out here, once it goes into the machine, the carbon and the food can combine together. The bacteria has something to mix with. That's the reason why it goes through this first. And some of the food that comes from Bell Compost has been run through a pulper. It makes it really small, so that really helps us out. The smaller everything is, the hotter it gets. Like the wood chips over here, it's like if you pour sawdust in there, sawdust would make it heat up really fast. I mean, it would jump 20 degrees by the time you send it into the tank within an hour or two. But we try to keep it around 120, 130 degrees. That way it stays steady, so the bacteria doesn't have a chance to grow, and that's what we really want. If it goes lower, we try to put something in. So we can add a little bit of lime if we have to, just to help it. And lime's a natural, so it's not a foreign substance being put into it to heat it up. And what lime will do is it'll just make it warmer. It restarts the bacteria again. And see, during the summer when the students aren't here, we have to empty it out, get everything out of it because it won't work right. So we take it all out and then we start all over again, and we have to go through the whole process of one thing at a time. And you go down there and look at some of that stuff going on with the conveyor belt. You want to do that. Sometimes it all comes out at once, we have to give it a little hand. Make the chips. Whenever we cut down a tree, we just run it through it.